open this like the paper?
No. We have to do everything.
Okay. Oh goodness. How are we gonna do that? No, no more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I have my twin sister, Veronica, and we are going to do the no hands baking challenge. I don't really know what it's called. So like from the wrists, we're not going to use any of this. We can use anything else. We can help each other. We're going to be baking cupcakes. Chocolate cupcakes. So we have everything that we need right here. And it was supposed to be like Halloween themed. Oh, that's why we're dressed up. I don't know if you guys can tell, but she's a devil and I'm a pirate. They were supposed to be Halloween themed, but we only have these. All good.
You
okay.
get the idea.
How are you
the intention.
those?
I don't know, dude. When I got them, I'm like, I'm trying to get elbows.
The mouth. Okay, so no hands.
Can we use like this now for the wrist? Like,
Everything.
Are we-
No. We have to do everything.
No hands. Should we like to?
Oh, wait. What the heck was that?
Wait, should we put tape on our hands to make it easier and not use them? Or should
Yeah,
we
yeah.
do no finger challenge? Can we change it up? Like
No
wrap
fingers?
like this and still use like this?
Yeah, you do yours hand.
Your hand? Wait.
Oh wait, this is the word.
We're having so much trouble just putting this on. Okay, finally. Okay, so no fingers, no finger challenge.
No figure challenge. Okay.
Can I use my thumb? Al ratito, ¿ok? Cuando le pongas frosting a unos tú. ¿Ok? Oh, no, estás viendo. What are you doing? I don't know. See? Oh. Ooh, it does have chocolate chips inside. Ve, se está cayendo todo acá. No. Achoo. Does me see? Achoo. No. Ve, se está cayendo todo acá.
I'm so tempted to just take my thumbs out.
I'm not even doing it.
Will it even fit in this bowl?
Yeah, remember last time we did it before?
Oh, we did?
There we go. Okay, next. 1 cup, 1/4 cup of water. Okay, 1. And a little bit more because you got a little bit.
1/2 cup of vegetables. And I'll do that challenge.
I can't even think it was barely placed on top. Wait, I can't get even top. That was
now.
just your leather goes escucho. It goes up quite. Okay, the eggs. How are we gonna do that? How are we gonna do that? How are we gonna do that?
Oh god.
And it's
okay,
3 of them. Okay, you do 2, I do 1.
Dude, this is gonna be so tricky.
It's gonna be messy. Are you sure you've seen this video?
I have. It's always
They don't have the eggs ready, and you just like pour it.
no.
And then?
Ah.
Look at it. Catching it.
Ah!
That's so gross. Y yo mientras aquí esperando hasta que salga todo el huevo.
Oh. Yay!
Yay! Take it. Dang.
Woo! So yours was a fail.
Mine was a fail. I don't need your help. How'd you do it?
Ah,
See, it's not so bad. I hold it, you put it in. Yeah?
yeah. Ay, no lo conectamos.
Oh! Can I connect it to an extension?
Dad, I want to use my fingers. almost on that thing. It's because I don't know if I have a good grip. Okay, go. No, no more. Ah! Yeah. Oh, you could have done it like that the whole time. Okay, so these. Oh, it's not gonna be that hard. There we go. Oh, it's not gonna be that hard. Pero, how do I have 4 and you have none? Is there any tape on here? Oh yeah. You're all smashing it. What? It's all wet. Is it wet? Oh, it's wet here. You're stepping on the egg. You always pies. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. Chocolate on your nose. Wait, are we? I'm not even holding it. Yeah. Okay, yeah. No, wait, que lo prenda. Prende la luz. What? Oh no, that sounded bad. Your phone does not break. Ahorita no. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So I went past 15 minutes. It was only supposed to be 15 minutes. I went over 9 minutes, but they still look good. This one's hers. And these are
You show my worst ones and you show
my best one. And we're not gonna do tape anymore because that tape was very aggressive. It was aggressive. It was hurting. It almost took one of her nails. So we're just gonna try to do the same thing and just not use the fingers. Ouch. Your mouth.
Pull.
Chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. Delicious. No se pega. Okay, so how about we teamwork? Okay, teamwork.
Yes, teamwork.
Ah!
Teamwork. Yo también.
Este.
Ahí sentadito. Oh.
Ahí está. That's it.
No te
Anyways, just rate us in the comments below from 1 through 10. How do you think we did?
Are they good though? That's what matters.
Let's test it. So before you leave, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to see, and if you want to see my twin sister more often, let me know, and what kind of videos you guys would like me to film in Vegas. I think I just said that. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Vamos a seguir grabando, ¿ok? You have...
Yo quiero ver. Mira a ti.
God, it's hard to film like that.
I'm not gonna use a blanket, right? Start taping your...
I'll
your...
hold it and
Oh,
you use your
okay.
teeth.
No, no hands. Let me wash my hands. Oh wait, not me. I just said no hands.
I think doing it with no thumbs is gonna be easier. It's just gonna be like, yeah. And then doing it, we're gonna get a crown.